Do you have some overripe bananas sitting in your kitchen? Now it's time to put them to good use to make gluten-free brownies. If you are a person who is on a gluten-free diet, then an occasional healthy brownies is sometimes okay. So let's learn how to make gluten-free brownies. We need super ripe bananas. This is the main ingredient in this flourless chocolate brownies. Then add in almond butter. Now I just toasted some almonds and gave it a workout in the food processor to become almond butter. To make it look like flourless chocolate brownie, I add cacao powder. If you don't have cacao powder, you can always use cocoa, but do stay till the end of the video and I shall explain why. To sweeten this, I'm gonna use maple syrup, but you can use any sweetener of your choice. Pinch of salt for that balance. And that's the gluten-free brownie batter right there. Bake this for 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. Check if it's cooled with a toothpick, and now let's take a break and rest the gluten-free brownie as well. Come back after 30 minutes and you should have the gluten-free brownies ready for snacking. Cut them into desired shape only after resting the brownie, as doing it earlier may not give you a good look. And if you're wondering what's the difference between cacao and cocoa, well, cacao is considered healthier than processed cocoa because they contain more minerals and antioxidants. If you want to know some 3 health benefits of cacao, here's a video for you to check out, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.